Namaskar, this is Rohit Shankar Mane and you are watching Scientist Star Academy towards scientific world. Now in this video lecture we are going to understand microbiology MCQs and the chapter microscopy. These MCQs and these questions are important for ICR NET, CSR NET, ICMR, JRF, SRF, other microbiological graduation exams and the microbiological interviews. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So the kind of electron microscope which is used to study the internal structure of cells is what? So transmission electron microscopy is used to understand the internal structure of cells. The electrons of the scanning electron microscopes are reflected through what? They are reflected through metal coated surfaces. The magnification of light microscope is how much it is? It is 1500 times. The photograph which is taken from microscope is known as what? So is known as micrographs. The object can be magnified under an electron microscope about 3 lakh times. If the eyepiece magnification on light microscope is 10x and the objective is 40x, then what is the overall magnification? So we have to calculate it and see 40 into 10 is equals to 400x. That will be the overall magnification will be the 400x. That is time. What is the condenser on a light microscope used for? So it is used to focus the light source. What is the correct name for the microscope lens located in the eyepiece? So the name is ocular lens. What is the correct name for the main microscope lens that focuses the image? So objective. Objective is used to focus the image in the microscope. Which of these objectives should be used to first view the specimen? So 4x first we have to use, then we have to go for the 10x and 100x if it is required. Which components on a light microscope should be focused first? So the two eyepiece we have to focus first, then and then only we can adjust the slide or the light. When maintaining the microscope, which is an essential step? So first essential step is the clean off grease and spills. Second, blow away dust. And third one, oil the mechanics and the moving parts. These are some important maintaining steps. When maintaining the microscope, what is used to clean the lenses? So we have to use alcohol to clean the lenses. What device is used to test the optics of the high power lens? So stage micrometer is used. A light microscope is also referred to as a compound microscope. Resolving power of microscope is due to what? So what is the resolving power microscope has? It is due to the objective lens. What is the resolving power of an oil immersion lens? So oil immersion lens is also is always used to study the morphology of cells. So what is the resolving power? So it is a 0.2 micron. Refractive index of Starix used for oil immersion objective lens is about what? So it is about 1.58. A micron is how much times smaller than mm? That is micrometer. Millimeter is smaller than the 1000. So RI, refractive index of cedar wood oil used for oil immersion objective lens is about 1.52. So this question is important, that is refractive index of cedar wood oil is how much it is? 1.52. Microscope lenses can be cleaned with which solution? So mostly xylene or acetone is used to clean the microscope lenses. Which is used to measure cell size in light microscope? So ocular micrometer disc and stage micrometer is used to measure the cell size in light microscope. Write the normal component of tissues which can give fluorescent emission. So vitamin is mostly used or it is the component of a normal component of tissue which can give fluorescent. The human eye can differentiate 2 points which are how much micrometer apart? So they are 1000 micrometer apart. The resolution of naked human eye is how much? It is 1 mm. The resolution of electron microscope is how many times far more than light microscopy? Very important, it is 500 times more than light microscopy. The resolution of compound microscope is, it is how much? It is 2 micrometer. This question is asked many times in the ICR net and CSR net for 2 marks. 1 micrometer is equal to, so it is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter. Apparent increase in the size of an object is called as what? So it is called as a magnification. So magnification, actually see, the process magnification is required to magnify the object, whatever we are going to observe under microscope. The source of illumination for electron microscopy is its electrons. So electrons are the source of illumination. Because of electrons only we can illuminate or we can magnify the object, and we can see that. Electromagnetic lenses are used in, so they are used in the electron microscopy. Resolution of electron microscope ranges from 2 to 4 angstrom. This is important. The resolution of electron microscope is, so it is 0.2 nanometer. So these are some important and simple MCQs for the microscopy. If you have any doubt, you can comment or you can call me. Thanks a lot.